Hey everybody, I got the cutest dog in the world, and here I have a Sedioso Dog Aggressive Toy. So we're gonna try this thing out and see if she likes it. So look at this. Oh man, she's gonna love this. Oh wait, Penny, you gotta hold you. Look at this, look what I got. I got a duck for you. Look at that. You want that? Here, I'm gonna put her down and give her the duck. Oh man, she loves this thing. Hold on a sec. Let me bring you guys closer so you can see. Okay, Penny. You like that? You like that, Penny? Okay, go get it. Good girl. Good girl. Go get it. Where is it? Yeah. Okay, I think we found our new favorite toy. Thumbs up.